Hey, if you ever have trouble with your spool hopping on the balancer, found out if you grab a golf ball, it seems to be just right, adds a little bit of weight, doesn't bind it up, and stop mine from hopping the track. So, just thought I'd share. Here's all the stuff we made so far. It's the 1889. Thanks. Happy printing.